In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove sidebar on Elementor. So in order to remove your sidebar, what you can do is you can head over first to elementor.com and make sure that you're logged in into your account. You can head over and then just click on this login. So if you don't have an account yet, click on this get started. Now the next thing is to head over to WordPress.com. We will use WordPress in order to host our Elementor. So into this part, make sure to log into your account as well, or if you don't have one, click on this get started. On my case, I already have an account on both of them, so let's head over and then just try to open it. Here is my dashboard using my WordPress Elementor. So from in there, you can just head over to the scroll down and click on this appearance. Here is the sidebar that we're looking about. And then from in there, just head over and click on to the actual option that we can see right here. You can change up the editor, and then from in there, this will direct you to it. So this is actually our editor. What this will do is we can just head over and click on any widgets, and then you just head over and choose in here any widgets that you want to remove. For example, we have in here the layout. You can see that you can actually move it right here. So in there, you can also locate the sidebar.php file in your team's directory and delete the code that generates the sidebar or comment it out with HTML tags. So from in there, you can also remove sidebar for individual pages or posts right here and remove sidebar from a specific page. Like for example, you can head over right here to your pages and then just choose in here the page that you want it removed. So in order to do that, you just need to make sure that your page attributes is on the full width. If you have an Elementor site like I did, what you can do is you can click on the site settings. And then from in there, just wait for this to load and just scroll down until you can see these additional settings. You can also head over to the layout settings and from in there scroll down and click on this default page layout. You can choose Elementor full width and then click on the save changes and then this will make it the full width and this will remove the sidebar essentially on everything. So that's how you remove sidebar in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.